Welcome to TopxGun mini tutorial. Today, let's talk about power divider connector maintenance. Check the power divider connector first. If there is any split or crack on the connector, please replace it in time. Check the metal chip. If it is damaged by spark, please replace it in time. If the metal chip on the connector has turned black, please wipe clean with alcohol cotton in time. Check if there is any residue around the power divider connector. Please wipe off the residue in time to prevent sparking. That's the end of this tutorial. Follow us for more drone tips. Thank you.